The Hollywood Improv is proud to present the Nighttime Show Christmas Special.
It's the Nighttime Show on December 17th at the Hollywood Improv, where everyone gets a free drink. It's a live late night show where Robbie wears no clothes, while the band sings Christmas songs and we sing ho ho ho. Oh, Eddie Pepitone gets so fucking mad, while our friend Jackie Cation talks about her dad. Alice Witterlin, we love her on HBO, while Tony Hinchcliffe does her roast that might just curl your toes. Duncan Trussell's great, he makes us question reality, he gives us a lot to think about our own frivolity. We got Andy Dick, yes, we made that choice. We voluntarily put him on the show, and we hope we won't regret it. Oh, Nighttime Show with your donuts and cake. Fireball for all who come and say the show is great. Nighttime Show on December 17th. Bring your ass and smoke some grass and we'll see you in your seats. Nighttime Show! On December 17th! 10:30 show! Don't miss it!
He's buying time. He's stalling. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Steve Glickman. More than just a comedian.